Working on a 2015 Range Rover with a 3.0, and I was needing to remove these radiator supports, and it was driving me nuts. So I'm going to show you guys how do you remove them and what they look like. So this one was in this side here in this rubber grommet. See, it's got that little notch right there. So down here, if I can get a shot of it, you're going to see just a little spot where you can fit a screwdriver. I've got a long-handled screwdriver that I'm going to push in on the pin and then pull up on this. Alright, so I'm going to push in. Oop, I'm losing you. There we go. Alright, so push in on this little tab that you have access to. Grab your pliers, pull up, and that's going to help to see the pin. So what you're doing is, so this is that pin. You're pushing in between right here, pushing that in enough to release that little tab right there, and pulling up on it. In theory, anyway. Also, if I would stop hitting that, it would be helpful. You guys are kind of in my way right now, actually. There you go. So it took me forever to figure out, but now you know exactly how to do it. Okay, hope to help you out.